Nintendo Switch gets new console-exclusive roguelike RPG Peglin. Peglin, a unique roguelike role-playing game RPG, has been released as a timed Nintendo Switch console exclusive, offering a fresh gaming experience. This game combines pachinko-style orb mechanics with RPG elements, making it a standout title. In Peglin, players control a goblin seeking revenge on dragons for stealing their treasure. The game features turn-based battles where players aim orbs and hit pegs to deal damage to enemies. With various orbs offering different abilities, players can strategize and adapt to challenges. The Nintendo Switch long since become a central place for independent developers to publish their games, and Peglin's release is no exception. Its combination of genre-specific sets it to possibly capture gamers in the same way that other successful indie games have by putting together different game types. Red Nexus Games, Peglin's developer, put its previous in the game on Steam, iOS, and Android. Still, now it's been taken up a notch higher with this Nintendo Switch version. Other updates included those of indie games that had already been released, like the free crossover update of Balatro, plus one DLC of Sea of Stars. Other games that were showcased included Coffee Talk, Tokyo, and Moth Qubit.